children, welcome you all to this session. Today we are going to continue exercise 2.1. You can start from the fourth problem today. You can take page number 31 in your NCERT textbook. You can refer your questions from your textbook. Okay children? Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.1. Okay, we are going to continue 2.1. You can take page number 31 for reference for questions. Okay, you can refer that for questions. So what is the fourth question? A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Okay, what you should find? What and all they have given? It is a rectangular sheet of paper. So it looks like a rectangle. So rectangle means what and all the things it should have? It should have a length and it should have a breadth. Breadth or wide you can say. What is the length they have given? 12 1 by 2 centimeter long. So long it is given, so that is called as length. Then what they have given as wide is 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Wide means nothing but breadth. Find its perimeter. So first, while writing solutions, what you will do? You should write the what and all given thing. What and all it is given? Length of a rectangular sheet of paper is what? 12 1 by 2 centimeter. Okay, since it is a mixed fraction, can I convert it into improper fraction? Yes. So multiplication, addition. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 centimeter. So what is your length is? 25 by 2 centimeter. Next, breadth of a, or you can write wide, okay, of a rectangular sheet of paper is what? 2 by 3 centimeter. Okay, this is all given in the question. So actually we are going to convert it into improper fraction. 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32 by 3 centimeter. So this is what your length, this is what your breadth. So now what you should find? Perimeter of a rectangular sheet. So what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B units. Do you remember this? 2 into L plus B units. If it is centimeter, you will write centimeter. Meter, you will write meter. That's all. Okay. So 2 into what is your length? 25 by 2 plus what is your breadth? 32 by 3. Now we are going to add these two. For addition, what I told you, my denominator should be same. Whether my denominators is same? No. So what I will do? I will take LCM of 2, 3. What is the LCM of 2, 3? In 2 table 1 times 3. Third table 1 times 1. So 2 3s are 6. So what is my LCM? 6. So now I should convert these two. 25 by 2, I want my denominator as 6. Like 32 by 3, I want my denominator as 6. Now, 2 3s are 6. So, 25 into 3, 75. Okay, 2 3s are 6. So, 25 into 3, 75. Next, 3 2s are 6. 32 into 2, 4, 6 2s are 3 2s are 6, 64. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So instead of 25 by 2, shall I write 75 by 6? Instead of 32 by 3, shall I write 64 by 6? Now it will become 2 into, instead of 25 by 2, I will write 75 by 6 plus 64 by 6. Now shall I add these two? Yes. So how I will add it? 75 plus 64 divided by 6. I will just add the numerators alone. 75, 64. 9, 13, 139 to 139 by 6. Okay. Now, shall I cancel this and this? Yes, in 2 table 1 times 3 times, because it is in numerator, it is in denominator. So we can cancel like this. Okay, we have cancelled it. So what is my answer? 139 by 3 centimeter. So this is what my perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Already our question is fully about the mixed fraction. So my answer should also be in mixed fraction because it is a improper fraction. So I have cancelled it. 2 table 1 times 2 3s are 6. So 139 by 3 it will be. So I am going to convert it into mixed fraction because it is an improper. Okay. Next, 4 3s are 12, 1. Okay, next, 6 3s are 18, 1. That's all. So, what is my answer? 46, 1 by 3 centimeter. So, 46, 1 by 3 centimeter is the perimeter of a rectangular sheet. Understood? Next is your fifth question. Okay, what is the fifth question? Find the perimeter of first subdivision triangle ABE. So first what you should find? The perimeter of triangle ABE. Okay. Next, find the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. So then we have to find the perimeter of this rectangle BCDE in this figure. Whose perimeter is greater? So first you should find this perimeter and this perimeter, and then you have to check which perimeter is greater. Okay. So first I am just going to find the first subdivision. What is the first subdivision? Perimeter of triangle ABE. Perimeter means what? Sum of all the 3 sides. Right? So just I am going to add these 3 values. So what I will add? 5 by 2 plus 3 3 by 5 plus 2 3 by 4. Just I am going to add these 3 values because perimeter means it is a boundary. So just we are going to add the outer values. Okay. Now these 2 are in mixed fraction. So that what I should do? I should convert it into improper. 5 by 2 as such plus 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 18 by 5 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Okay, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Now shall we add this directly? No. What we should do? We should take LCM of 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. 2, 1, 5 as such. 2 2s are 4. 2, 1, 5, 1. 5, 1, 1, 1. So 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So what is our LCM value? 20. So what all the denominators should be? 20. Just keep it in your mind. Now 5 by 2. I want my denominator as 20. 18 by 5. I want my denominator as 20. 11 by 4. I want my denominator as 20. Now 2 tens are 20. So 5 tens are 50. 5 fours are 20. 18 fours are 8 fours are 32. 72. Okay. 8 fours are 32. 72. 4 5s are 20. 11 5s are 55. Now all these have changed, right? So shall I convert it like 50 by 20? Instead of 5 by 2 I wrote 50 by 20. Plus instead of 18 by 5 I wrote 72 by 20. Plus instead of 11 by 4 I wrote 55 by 20. Now shall I add it directly? Because all my denominators are same. So 50 plus 72 plus 55. Okay. Now shall I add these values? 50, 72, 55. 7, 10, 17. 177. 177 by 20. So what is my answer? 177 by 20. Is it a centimeter or a meter? Centimeter. So 177 by 20 is the perimeter of triangle ABC. Here I have just added all those three and my denominators are different. So what I just do, I take an LCM and I made all the denominators as same. Then I have just added the numerators. So 177 by 20 is the answer for triangle ABE. Next we are going to find the perimeter of this value. Understood? We are going to find the perimeter of this triangle BCDE. Okay, for finding the perimeter of the triangle or the rectangle, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B, right? So what is the length of this rectangle? 2 3 by 4. What is the breadth? 7 by 16. So shall we do that? Yes. Next is your second subdivision. Here we are going to find the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. Length is 2 3 by 4. Breadth is 7 by 6. You can refer your question in your textbook. Okay. What is the formula for rectangle? Perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B. So 2, what is the length value? 2 3 by 4 plus what is the breadth value? 7 by 6. Okay. Now this is a mixed fraction. So what I am going to do? I am just going to convert it into improper fraction. Okay. 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Shall we add it directly? No. What we should do? You should take LCM of 4, 6. Now I am going to take LCM 4, 6. 2 table 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. In 2 table 2 1s are 2, 3 assets, 3 1 3. Okay. Now you understood? Next. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is my LCM value? 12. So shall we convert these two? Yes. 11 by 4, I want my denominator as 12. 7 by 6 also I want my denominator as 12. 4 3s are 12, 11 3s are 33. 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14. Okay, now shall I write instead of 11 by 4, shall I write 33 by 12 and 7 by 6, shall I write 14 by 12? Yes, 2 into 33 by 12 plus 14 by 12. Now shall I add these two because my denominators are same. So 33 plus 14 divided by 12. Okay, now 2 into 33 plus 14. 7 4 47 by 12. Okay, now 1 times 6 times. Okay, so what is the answer? 47 by 6. 47 by 6 centimeter, because everything is in centimeter. So I am just cancelling 2 1 times, this 12 times. So 47 by 6 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. Okay children. Whose perimeter is greater, they have asked. Okay, just so that I wrote perimeter of the triangle ABE is 177 by 20 centimeter. Perimeter of BCDE is 47 by 6 centimeter. In this, which is greater, they are asking. Okay, which is greater? So what I will do, I just compare 177 by 20 and 47 by 6. I am just going to compare it. Can we compare it directly? No, because our denominators are different. So what I should do? You should take LCM. So LCM of what and what you will take? LCM of 20, 6. You will take LCM of 20, 6. So I am just taking LCM. 2 table 10, 3. 2 table 5, 3. 5, 1, 3. 3, 1, 1. So 2 into 5 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 into 3, 60. So what is my LCM value is 60. So what my denominator should be? It should be 60. Okay children. Now I am just going to convert 177 by 20 in terms of denominator 60 and 47 by 6 in terms of denominator 60. So now 20 into 3. So 177 into 3. I'll just multiply and see. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 23. 5. So 531. Next 6 into 10 60. So 47 into 10 470. So shall we write instead of these two, shall we write these two? Yes, 531 instead of 47 by 6 I will write 470 by 60. So in this which is greater? 531 by 60 is greater because when the denominators are same I should only compare the numerator. That you know, right? So what is the answer? 170 by 20 will be greater than 47 by 6. So obviously perimeter of triangle ABE is greater. Okay, so this is actually the perimeter of the triangle ABE. So perimeter of the triangle ABE is greater. Understood, children? Next is your sixth question. You can refer your question in your textbook, children. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. Okay, he wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. Okay, you can write centimeter here. Centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. How much should be the picture should be trimmed? Okay, listen carefully. Actually, this is the size of that frame. Okay, but we have a photo that is more than this frame. Okay, this is the frame. This is our photo. So actually, if you want to put this photo in this frame, I should trim all those things, right? If you trim this only, if you cut all those things only, this photo will fix in that frame, right? So this is what we are going to do here. So actually what we are going to do is, I am going to convert this I'm just going to convert this. I'm going to subtract this picture from this frame size so that I will get remaining things. Okay, because from this picture I'm going to cut this frame size. Okay, so what is that picture's widest? So first I'm going to write the solution. The picture's length is 7 3 by 5 centimeter. Okay, the picture's wide, picture's wide is, okay, wide is 7 3 by 5 centimeter because the picture is very big one. So I am going to cut that picture to make that picture to fit into that frame. Okay, so I am going to cut in the size of that frame. So from this picture I am cutting the frame size alone so that it can fix it. So that is what I am going to do here. 7 5s are 35 plus 3 38 by 5 centimeter. Next, frame's wide is, how much is frame? 7 3 by 10 centimeter. So into plus 7 into 10 70, 70 plus 3 73 by 10. Okay, centimeter. So now what I am just going to do is to find that remaining part. What I am just going to do, I am going to cut this picture size by that frame size. So from this I am going to subtract this frame size. Now shall we subtract it directly? No. What you will do? You will do the LCM of 5, 10. What is the LCM? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 2, 1, 2. So 5 into 2, 10. Now 5 2s are 10 is the LCM. So what we have to do? We are going to cut that picture size in terms of that frame size. So picture size minus frame size, you will get the remaining. Since our denominators are different, I am making it into same by using the LCM. Understood? Now 38 by 5 and 73 by 5, I am going to change it in terms of denominator 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10. So 38 into 2. 8 2s are 16, 1, 3 2s are 6, 7, 76. 10 into 1, 10, 73 into 1, 73. Okay, now shall I subtract these two now? Instead of these two, I am going to subtract these two. 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10. So both the denominators are same, right? So shall I write it once? Now 76 minus 73. 76 minus 73 is 3 by 10 centimeter. So totally 3 by 10 centimeter of that picture you will cut it. Only then you can fix that picture into that frame. Understood, children? Next is your 7th question. 7th question is what? Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu ate? So we want to find the remaining part, how much Somu had ate. Who had the larger share? So Ritu had ate more or Somu had ate more? That we have to find. So we have to compare and we have to find. By how much? They are asking by how much they are asking. So totally how many questions is there? Totally 3 questions are there. Okay, now we are going to solve it. Listen. Apple ate by Ritu is how much? 3 by 5 part. Okay. So remaining that brother has 8. So we are going to find apple ate by Somu. How you will find? 1 is the whole part minus 3 by 5. 1 is the whole apple. In the 3 by 5 part Ritu has 8. If you subtract this whole apple from this 3 by 5, will you get the remaining that Somu had 8? Yes. Because 1 is always a whole part. 1, how you will write? 1 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Now shall we subtract it directly? No. So what you will do? You will just you will take LCM. LCM of 1 comma 5 is 5. So 1 by 1 I want to make it in terms of denominator 5, and 3 by 5 I want to make it as denominator 5. So 1 5s are 5. So 1 5s are 5. So now 5 ones are 5. So 3 ones are 5. 3 ones are 3. So shall I convert this here? So what will become? 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Now both the denominators are same. Yes. So I write only once. So 5 minus 3. So what is the answer? 2 by 5 part of an apple. So how much Somu had ate? 2 by 5 part of an apple. So we got the answer for this, right? How much part of an apple did Somu ate? So Somu ate 2 by 5 part of an apple. Understood? Next, we are going to solve the next question. Who had the larger share? So we are going to find the Ritu share is what? 3 by 5. Somu share is 2 by 5 part. Okay. So now we are going to just compare these two. How you will compare it? We are going to check whether denominators are same. Yes, both the denominators are same. So you can compare the numerators. So which is greater? 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is whose part? Ritu's part. So Ritu had the larger share. Understood how I have written? I have just compared both of them's share. In that Ritu's share was greater. So I wrote Ritu had the larger share. They are asking by how much. So shall we subtract these two and see? Yes. By how much na? The remaining or difference between the Ritu share and Somu share is, we are going to find for how much. So 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. This is Ritu share. This is Somu share. Now both are same, right? So shall I write it as ones? Yes. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 2. 1 by 5. So the by 1 by 5 part, Ritu is greater than Somu. Okay, did you understand? By 1 by 5 part, Ritu is greater than Somu. So we have answered totally 3 questions. Understood, children? Then your next 8th question is your homework. Okay, children? Today's class we have discussed exercise 2.1 from 4th problem. 4, 5, 6, 7 were discussed today, which is fully related to that word problems. Okay, just we have added and subtracted the fractions. And 8th question is your homework. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Thank you.